Hello everyone, it's Sandy and thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel. I've got a little project to share with you. It uses one piece of 6x6 paper, a cute little easy treat box favor project, and these are the cute little boxes that I'm going to show you how you can make as well. There are other videos here on YouTube with tutorials as well, but I found this project on Pinterest and I thought this is a great little treat box to add some goodies, some chocolates or jewelry, anything you'd like to gift to somebody. And as we're approaching Easter, this would be a great little gift box to make for Easter, and add some Easter eggs in here or any little Easter theme goodies you want to put in these cute boxes. And I'll just show you the inside. It does hold a few little things, and that's the inside. Now there's two ways you can make this box, which I'll show you as well. So that's the box when you open it up. So it opens up like this, and I've got in here just some cute little embellishment flat back pieces. I've made some washi samples on some cute little wooden spools. And this is also a great little Happy Mail gift if you want to gift some little crafty pieces to a crafty friend, or if you are in a crafting group and you wanted to make a few of these as little thank yous, or also if you do craft fairs. Just close this up a little bit better. So you just pinch it that way, and then you can just add your little tag and a wood peg like that, or you can punch a hole and add some trim to tie a little bow to make a closure. So there's a few different ways you could do that. And this here is another one that I made. I made this using the paper bow that I showed you in one of my video tutorials, using your paper scraps. I'll put the link to my video on how you can make these cute little fun gift bows to decorate your packaging using your scraps. And again, this one here is a different style box. So this one here just opens up like that, which is slightly different to this one. So this one here opens up and opens up into a big opening. This one here, when you open up, it just opens up like that. And I've got in here some shredded paper. So there's two ways you could make these boxes. It all depends on how you want to make your box, but it still has the same size inside bit where you can add your goodies. So I'm going to show you how you can make one of these. All you need is just grab one piece of your 6x6 paper, which I'm just going to do now here, and on one side of your 6x6 paper we're going to score it at 1.5 inches and 4.5 inches. So really on both sides it's 1.5 inches on both sides. And when you turn it around the other way, we're going to score it at 2.25 inches and 3 3/4 of an inch. I'll put all the measurements down below of the video for you if you've missed out on the measurements. Now that's all there is to the scoring. And then with this part, we're going to fold all of your fold lines, and you want to fold your fold lines really well using your bone folder. So really press them down. That way you will get a nice shaped box when you assemble it together. So I'm just going to fold all this down really quickly. And then the last one. Alright, now for the next part, what we're going to do here, the side that we scored at 1.25 inch on each side, we're going to fold those two in, and bringing them in that way. And then you'll see these two score lines that we've also done there. What you want to do here, we are going to bring that fold line, and we want to bring it over so it lines up with this fold line here. And to do that, what I do here is I just press here, and then I grab the end bit here where we've got that fold line, we're going to swing it around, just swing it around so that both fold lines meet up side by side on top of one another. And when you've got that, you're going to press this down and press it really, really well. And we're going to do that to all four sides. So I'm just going to turn this, I'll turn this around this way. You can fold that down now. We'll turn it this way. And then you have this fold line here. We're going to do the same and swing it around over to this side of the fold line. So just grabbing that bit, swing it around, and you want to line that up. Just going to press that to make it easy. So just swing it around and lining them up side by side and press down on the inside there. Okay, so I've done that side. We'll do this side here. We're going to grab that fold line. Again, I'm just going to pinch that there. We're just going to bring that around. So as you can see, so you want that corner to line up. And we'll do that and press that. Bring that down, turn that around, and we'll do that last quarter here. Again, just grabbing that fold line there and lining that up. Pressing there. So that's all the fold lines all done. And all we're going to do now, we're just going to open this up. You're going to grab some glue, or you can use your double-sided tape or any adhesive you like, and we are going to run your glue all along that top edge. And I'm just going to squeeze and for those that have been asking what glue I use this glue here. It's a craft glue from Crafter's Choice. It's stocked at a craft store called Spotlight here in Sydney, Australia, or Australia-wide. It's a store called Spotlight, and this is the glue that I use. So I usually buy the large bottle, and then I just pour them in a smaller bottle just so it's easy for me to use. So just to let you know. Alright, so as we were going, so you want to apply the glue to the top part of the fold line that we've folded previously. So let's go ahead and place your glue. When I get my glue out of the bottle, I haven't got much left in here. So just line it all along the edge. And then we're going to turn that over and we're going to do the same to the opposite side. Placing your adhesive along the top. And then what we do is we're going to bring them over now. We're going to seal up those edges over. And then the same with the other side. Just seal that up. Just making sure your paper is not overlapping. Just going to fix this side here. Okay. So you'll have both of those sides sealed, and all we do now is you're going to bring it up, and you'll see that it will form into a little box all ready for you. And that's really all there is to it. And then you just gently press the sides, and then you've created your box. And then you just add your closure, and that completes your treat box. So opening it up, it opens up like that. It's really simple. And the other way where I've made it so that you can have it that way, all you do here is you just apply glue to the triangle sides of these four sides, and that will seal that up like that. And then the same with this side, and that will seal both that side, and then you'll create that kind of a box. And then just pressing them in. So that is how I make these little treat boxes. Again, this is not my idea, but I thought I'd show you how to make these boxes using 6x6 paper, since we're now coming along to Easter, in case you wanted to make some Easter themed little baskets. You can also add handles to here too, I guess. So I do hope you enjoyed this little fun tutorial, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.